Follow my step-by-step guide to easily make $15K using AI Shorts. It's simpler than you think, promising big revenue with minimal effort. I've run several successful faceless YouTube channels on the Rich Vista platform, and as a creator, I've been able to make over $15,000 a month in ad revenue alone. But that's just the tip of the iceberg when you think about how many revenue streams these channels generate. In this comprehensive guide, I'll walk you through the steps to use automation to make your first $1,000 a month on YouTube. In my search for an innovative tool, I discovered an amazing tool on a platform like Discord, Shoredex. Developed by a mysterious programmer, Shoredex is a testament to the power of AI to reshape the content creation environment. Despite its relative obscurity in the YouTube community, Shoredex's potential to redefine content creation is unparalleled, giving creators powerful tools to unlock their creative potential. Before we get into the intricacies of Shoredex, it's important to take the first step, building your YouTube presence. Although creating an account seems easy, there are important considerations to maximize your channel's potential. From carefully following YouTube's setup instructions to optimizing your account details for visibility, building a solid foundation is paramount. This ensures your channel is well positioned for success from the get-go and is primed to seamlessly integrate advanced tools like Shoredex to enhance your content creation efforts. Now let's take a closer look at AI-powered video creation, the core of YouTube automation. Shoredex provides a fully automated solution for creating compelling content and has proven to be a transformative force in this space. By seamlessly integrating various AI processes such as script writing, narration, and editing, Shoredex produces high-quality short films that are not only distinctive but also suitable for monetization. This innovative tool enables content creators to efficiently create engaging videos, opening the door to lucrative opportunities in the ever-evolving online content creation landscape. Shoredex has three key features: full automation to ensure optimal output with minimal user intervention, individuality of each short film to ensure uniqueness and monetization potential, and exceptional quality of the produced videos, making them entertaining and engaging for viewers. These three features position Shoredex as a pioneer in AI-driven content creation, providing content creators with powerful tools to easily create compelling videos while maintaining standards of originality and excellence. Powered by Shoredex makes it easy to create compelling videos. The user-friendly interface allows developers to customize every aspect of the production process, from script prompts to AI language selection. By using cutting-edge AI models such as GPT 3.5, Shoredex ensures unparalleled script and narration quality, enhancing the overall appeal and professionalism of the content. Whether you're an experienced YouTuber or a beginner, Shoredex streamlines the video creation process and makes it easy to create engaging, high-quality content. The benefits of YouTube automation extend beyond content creation. AI-powered tools like Shoredex allow developers to streamline their workflows and save valuable time and resources. This efficiency allows creators to expand their business and explore additional content monetization opportunities. By automating repetitive tasks and leveraging advanced technology, developers can focus more energy on creative endeavors and strategic growth efforts, ultimately helping them thrive in a competitive digital environment. Can drive your success. To be successful, it is important to approach YouTube automation with a strategic mindset. Tools like Shoredex offer cost and time-efficient solutions, but developers must ensure intelligent use to reap the maximum benefits. While producing a high volume of videos is important to maximize revenue, creators must also prioritize quality and relevance to keep viewers engaged. Finding a balance between quantity and quality can help creators build a loyal audience and drive sustainable growth for their YouTube channel. As you navigate the world of YouTube automation, it is important to dispel the illusion of overnight success. Contrary to popular belief, earning significant income through automation requires hard work, strategy, and a deep understanding of the platform's algorithms. AI tools like Shoredex have great potential, but they're not a magic solution for instant wealth. Successful YouTube automation depends on consistent effort, smart decision-making, and the ability to adapt to the ever-evolving digital landscape. Approaching automation with realistic expectations and a commitment to continuous improvement can help developers realize their full potential and succeed in the competitive world of online content creation. The YouTube automation space offers endless possibilities. Platforms like Shoredex allow creators to generate new revenue streams and take advantage of new trends in online content consumption. The scalability and efficiency provided by automation tools paves the way for innovative content strategies and expanded reach. By leveraging the full potential of YouTube automation, creators can stay at the forefront of digital innovation and take their channels to new heights of success. In summary, YouTube automation represents a paradigm shift in content creation and monetization. By harnessing the power of AI technology, developers can scale their operations, reach new audiences, and create unprecedented revenue opportunities. As we navigate this ever-evolving situation, one thing is clear: the future of YouTube is automated, and those who embrace it will benefit.